consequences. And on new this morning, an alarming report showing just how much the crisis has already taken a hold of our state.
Our Mark Thompson joins us live to break down the latest numbers that all parents need to be aware of. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Kaylee. Good morning, Nick. And this is truly a deadly problem. And these are some statistics that parents need to be aware about because it can prove to be a huge danger, especially for teenagers who are headed back to school. In fact, the Department of Health and Human Services says that over the past couple of years, after they have been tracking the opioid epidemic in our state, they say that at least 3,500 people have died in suspected opioid deaths, and more than 25,000 overdoses have occurred. And that alarming report from the Arizona Drug Enforcement Administration, or DEA, says that a lot has to do with the availability of these drugs. The agency says that more than 1 million fentanyl pills have been seized in our state over the past fiscal year. And to put that into perspective, over the previous year, just 380,000 pills were found. DEA agents say that right now we are in the worst addiction crisis ever seen in the United States.
4 years ago, DEA in Arizona seized 0 fentanyl. This last year, we seized enough fentanyl to kill 70 million people. For the people that have an addiction problem, get some help. All right, get some help, because you're playing Russian roulette out there when you're taking these pills and you're buying this stuff off the street.
And a real problem is a lot of these pills mimic the real thing, like the oxycodone M30 tablets, but the dangerous pills are known as Mexican oxy, and they are typically smuggled across the border into the United States, and they have proven to be deadly, as you heard from some of those statistics. So this is really something that parents need to pay attention to, since a lot of these overdoses involve teenagers, and it's something to really keep an eye out on, especially as those teens head back to school. Reporting live in downtown Phoenix this morning, Mark Thompson, ABC 15 Arizona. Nick and Kaylee, back to you.
All right, Mark, thank you. Just a simple conversation about how dangerous these really are. Could possibly save lives. Thank you.